In this video, you'll learn how to cancel a Calendly event. By following these steps, you will successfully remove a scheduled meeting from your calendar. Begin by opening Calendly on your web browser. Once the page loads, look for the left sidebar on your screen. In the sidebar, locate and click on the option labeled Meetings. This will take you to the section where all your scheduled meetings are organized. After clicking Meetings, ensure that the upcoming tab is selected at the top of the meetings page. This tab displays all your meetings that are scheduled to occur in the future. Browse through the list of upcoming meetings to find the specific booking you wish to cancel. Once you locate the meeting you want to cancel, click on it directly. If the meeting details are already open, you can expand the meeting card to view its options. This will allow you to access the cancellation feature more easily. On the meeting card, look for the button labeled Cancel. This button is typically located directly under the reschedule option. Click on Cancel to initiate the cancellation process for your selected meeting. After clicking Cancel, a pop-up window will appear on your screen. This window may prompt you to add a cancellation reason, although providing this information is optional. If you wish to include a reason, type it into the designated field. When you are ready, click the button labeled Confirm Cancel to finalize the cancellation of the meeting. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.